banned. We are banned from using drones throughout Thailand. Yes, these little things. Boop. Irrespective of weight or size, all drones are banned from use nationwide, the entire country, effective of the 30th of July, which was yesterday, running all the way up until August the 15th, subject to change. So it could be extended. This is a law, a rule, if you like, that has been put in place by the Royal Thai Air Force, and it's on their website, and it's wonderfully written in Thai, as it is on the Facebook page of CAAT, or Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. They also reiterate what's been said by the Royal Air Force, that the ban is effective immediately. And of course, this is to tie in with the Cambodia and Thai conflict right on the border. Now, going back to this, as of yesterday, I had absolutely no idea that this had happened, that they put this in place. And it was only when I woke up this morning. I'd uploaded a video yesterday and I was reading through some of the comments, and one of them by a guy on this side of the side called Dan77 posted something like, did you know that there's a nationwide ban on the use of drones in Thailand? Of course I wasn't, and therefore thank you so much, Dan, for making me aware of this. But I had my doubts that it would be nationwide, not that I doubted what you were saying. So I had a quick look, couldn't find anything. My missus then had a look, because she also doubted, thought it'd just be in the area of Sisaket, Surin, Buriram, that kind of area. I could understand that, but why nationwide? Anyway, she looked, and lo and behold, Dan was spot on. Thank you again. And on the website, the Facebook page of the Royal Thai Air Force, they state that indeed there is a ban nationwide from the 30th of July up till the 15th of August. And as you can see there, it's all in Thai. There is no English whatsoever, but I've done a kind of translation of it, and it reads something, please be kind with me, something like this. All kinds of drones, so irrespective of shape, size, this is only 250 grams, but all drones are banned across the country for security from the Thai-Cambodian border situation, which you kind of just said, except for the security agency. So I'm assuming that there are certain people of authority can use them. According to the announcement of the police department, so it came from the police, so it'll be the Royal Thai Police, and it actually states from the translation there, from the 30th of July up until the 15th of August 2068, so it'll be 2,568, so it'll be 2025, or until orders change. Now that's another key thing, meaning it could go on, this could be extended, just depends how it goes. Now, I know the other day that they talked about they've agreed peace and everything's going to be okay. So why would they do this right now? I don't know. And then on the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand, or CAAT, they basically reiterate, but in much more detail, what is happening. But ultimately, for you guys and myself, whether you're a foreigner, whether you're Thai, it doesn't matter. You are not permitted in any shape or form to fly these little guys. I was actually going to go outside and make this video, and then thought, what if somebody sees me? Now, I do not know, I cannot translate, but I can read in Thai, because this is all in Thai, it says something about 1 second actually. Oh, now this I'm just going to do, this is just going to be a Google Translate. But let me just see if it works. No, you cannot even translate it. But I am seeing Nung Bi 1 year and Si Mun Bad. So I am going to state that it will be either 1 year of imprisonment and or up to 40,000 baht in fines. Neither of which I don't what anybody wants. So the reason I've made this video, I don't normally make videos about news, it's not a big thing for me, but not being able to fly my drone, which was oddly going to be taken out today, is a big thing. And I'm sure there are going to be people like myself who are just not aware, and if it hadn't been for Dan, I really generally wouldn't know. So it's a warning really to all foreigners or Thais, if you're following this, keep these at home for the next 2 weeks, or well, up until the 15th or the 16th of August at least. Could be longer. I'll try and keep you updated on that if there are any changes, but do not use them. And if you're watching this now from your home country, maybe you're in England, America, and you're thinking, oh, I'm so looking forward to going to Samui and filming around the beach, looking down and whatever, don't even bring it. I would say that if somebody stupid like me got caught flying a drone in Isan, in Khon Kaen or whatever, most people would ignore it because they probably wouldn't know. But if I got caught, and the fact I can speak Thai, I might be able to talk my way out of it and just play dumb. But I think right now, people coming on holiday, or vacation, whatever you want to call it, and you come from your own country with a drone in your bag, remember you won't have the license to use it. If you turn up with a drone in your bag, I think you'd probably get in more trouble. I don't know. I know Thailand and I know that they're a bit odd with things. So yes, just to reiterate, it is a nationwide ban on all drones throughout, as I said, throughout the whole country as of yesterday, up until the 15th of August. Do not use your drones in any way or you will be getting a big fine. Probably not prison, but you will get a big fine. And it's not worth it. And as far as I can tell, if you use your drone irresponsibly anyway, under normal rules, they can actually take the drone off you. They can ban it and ban you from using it. So I'm sure they'd take it as well. 40,000 baht fine and you lose your drone. Nah, not for me. And you'd lose your license, no doubt, as well. So it just isn't worth it at this moment in time. And again, I'd just like to say thank you very much to Dan77 for making me aware of this. I had no idea, but I just thought it was important to make sure that everybody knows, or at least the guys who subscribe to my channel, because I'd feel sort of responsible if I know about this and I don't pass on this information, because it's not big news, kind of. But if you're a drone fan, you know, if you're into photography and you like drones like I do, well, it is a big problem. So, and it is big news. So I just thought I would reiterate that. So anyway, that will just about do for today, guys. Thank you so much if you have watched this, and I hope it is of some use to you. And I will see you in the next one. And don't forget, if you haven't done already, subscribe. I'm always talking to you about things around Isan, Khon Kaen, and Thailand as a whole. So I'll just about do. Take care, everybody. See you very, very soon. Bye-bye. And see you from Droney. Bye-bye. You're going in your box now for the next couple of weeks. All right? Oh, I'm sorry.